Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little Angel Reader. Good morning, Max.
Good morning.
Today we're going to do lesson 4. Are you ready?
Ready.
Good. I have a question before we start our lesson. Yeah, wait. Look at this book. Splat the Cat book. Can you find 2 sounds, and s, that you already know?
Oh,
Here. Look at the red letters. Can you find a? Look at the red letters right there.
And
Where? Wait. Look at the red letters. Max, the red ones. It says splat the cat. Show me where is... Yeah, where is a? Where do you see a? Can you find a? This is p. Find a that we learned yesterday. Yes! What sound is it? What sound? A. Well done. S. Can you find another a? There's one more a in the word cat. Well done, Max. Cat.
Cat or cat?
Show me s again. S. Touch s. Well done. And touch a. A.
S. A.
Well done, Max. Okay, Max. Now you're going to say all these sounds that you already know.
Chapter 4.
Lesson 4, yeah. You ready? What's this? What sound is it?
M.
M. Very good. How about this one?
E.
What is it? A.
A. E.
No, it's a.
A.
Okay, how about this one? How about this one? S. This says sa. You're right, sa. Read it together. Sa.
Sa.
Okay. S. Well done, Max. Okay, Max, here's another task for you. Your turn to say the word slowly, okay? Say at.
At.
Okay, say eat.
Eat.
Say mat.
Mat.
Say this.
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 This. Okay, say run.
Faster.
No, just say run.
Run.
Yes, slowly. We're saying them slowly, yeah? Say not. Can you say not?
Not.
Well done. How about that?
That.
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 Okay, and we.
We.
Well Max, listen. You're going to say sounds slowly, then you're going to say them fast. Okay, like this. S. S. First slowly. S. And then fast. S. S. Do this sound. Slowly first. Mm. And then fast. M. Okay, the last one. Let's do this one slowly. Let's do the last one slowly. Look at this one. Ah. That's slowly. And then do it fast. Ah. Okay. You're being funny, aren't you? Ready? Say run.
Run.
Say it fast. Run.
Run.
No, okay. Say at.
At.
Say it fast. At.
At.
Say not.
Not.
Now say it fast. Not. Well done. Say this.
Run.
No, let's try a different one. Say mat.
Mat.
Mat. Slowly. Now say it fast. Met. Okay, well done. I'm going to say the sounds on the arrow, Max. Ma. Where's m? Touch m when you hear me say m. Ma. Okay, then touch a. All right. How about here? I'm going to say the sounds on the arrow. Sa. Max, can you touch s? Here. You found s right there. Sa. Okay. Can you read it here? What does it say? Sa. Can you read it, please? Are you tired?
Yes.
Yes? Can you read it quickly and then we'll finish? Okay? Ready? Ma. And here? Sa. Let's read them quickly. Ma.
Ma.
Sa. Well done. Where's A? Can you show me A?
Ah.
Max, that's the word cat. It's Pete the cat, and he's full groovy buttons.
Pete
Pete
the
the
cat. And these 4 groovy buttons.
You're right. Do you like this book?
Mm-hmm.
Can you find the sound A in the word panda? Right here. Do you see A? Right there. Panda. A. M. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little angel reader.